Hi friends, welcome to Keto Diet Daily. Today's video is a special comfort food compilation featuring 5 of my most loved and most viewed keto recipes, and yes, they're all low carb and absolutely delicious. If you've been craving cozy, hearty meals without breaking your keto goals, you're in the right place. These dishes are easy to make, family-friendly, and packed with flavor you won't believe is keto approved. So grab your notepad, because you'll want to try every single one of these. Comment below your favorite or the one you're most excited to make. Let's jump in and get comfy with keto. Recipe number 1. Keto meatloaf. A comforting, classic, moist, flavorful, and perfect for family dinner. Ingredients: 500 grams ground beef, 1 egg, 1/2 cup almond flour, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan, 1/2 small onion, finely diced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1/4 cup sugar-free ketchup, 1 tsp dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, mix all ingredients except ketchup. Form into a loaf shape and place in a baking pan. Spread ketchup over top. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until cooked through. Tip: let rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing for clean cuts. Recipe number 2. Chicken Alfredo casserole. Creamy, cheesy, and ultra-satisfying comfort food in a casserole dish. Ingredients: 2 cups cooked chicken breast, shredded, 1 cup heavy cream, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan, 1 cup shredded mozzarella, 2 cloves garlic, minced, salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg, 1 tsp butter. Instructions: preheat oven to 190 degrees Celsius. In a saucepan, melt butter and soak garlic. Add cream, Parmesan, nutmeg, salt, and pepper. Simmer until thick. Mix with shredded chicken and half of the mozzarella. Pour into a greased casserole dish. Top with remaining mozzarella. Bake for 20 minutes until golden and bubbly. Optional. Add steamed broccoli for extra fiber and color. Recipe number 3. Eggplant Parmesan. Rich, cheesy, and layered with flavor without the carbs. Ingredients: 1 large eggplant, sliced into 1 centimeter rounds. 2 eggs, beaten. 1 cup almond flour. 1 cup sugar-free marinara sauce. 1½ cups shredded mozzarella. 1/4 cup grated Parmesan. 1 tsp Italian seasoning. Olive oil spray. Instructions: preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Dip eggplant slices in egg, then almond flour. Bake on parchment-lined tray for 20 minutes, flipping halfway. Layer marinara, eggplant, mozzarella, and Parmesan in a baking dish. Repeat layers and top with Italian seasoning. Bake for another 20 minutes until bubbly. Try adding ground beef or turkey for a meatier version. Recipe number 4. Creamy broccoli chicken bake. The perfect combo of cheesy chicken and green goodness, super cozy. Ingredients: 2 chicken breasts, cooked and cubed. 2 cups broccoli florets, steamed. 3/4 cup sour cream. 1/2 cup shredded cheddar cheese. 1/4 tsp garlic powder. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat oven to 190 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, combine chicken, broccoli, sour cream, and seasoning. Transfer to greased baking dish and sprinkle cheddar on top. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until hot and melted. For extra protein, stir in some chopped bacon or ham before baking. Recipe number 5. Zucchini chicken lasagna. Layers of savory chicken, rich sauce, and cheesy goodness without noodles. Ingredients: 2 large zucchinis, thinly sliced lengthwise. 2 cups shredded cooked chicken. 1 cup sugar-free marinara sauce. 1 cup mozzarella cheese. 1/2 cup ricotta cheese. 1/4 TSP dried basil. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Salt zucchini slices and let sit 10 minutes to draw moisture, then pat dry. Layer zucchini, chicken, marinara, ricotta, and mozzarella in a dish. Repeat layers and top with mozzarella and basil. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes until bubbly and browned. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before serving so it firms up nicely. My friends, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed these comforting keto meals, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Keto Diet Daily for more easy, delicious low-carb recipes every week. Drop a comment with your favorite comfort dish or tell me what I should feature next. And share this with your keto crew because food this good deserves to be shared. Stay cozy, stay keto, and see you next time.